This was the footage from the last video, and if you want to check that out,
First side up.
above.
Show you my sketchy little ladder setup here. So basically, I've got double knot tied around here towards the top, tension down here. So I twisted this, got this from Corporal's Corner right here, where you could just twist it, tighten it down. Then I got a weight as a backup. Like I said, any of these point of failures, like here, if this ever gave out right here or at the top, then up Estes Creek, you know what I'm saying, I'm screwed. So that could be another point of failure right here. But I also got bracing down here with the weights. It's been pretty sturdy. I mean, it's really not shaking. You just don't want to create a seesaw situation where the bottom could swing or the top could swing. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and tack these things down. And then if I had time, I'd build a scaffolding so I could just walk when I install the roof panels. But that's my setup for now. Let me go ahead and hurry up and get this done so I can get out the cold. There it is right there.
Yeah, I wanted to show you each step of how to set up this particular ladder. This is one of those folding ladders that have like different positions. The important thing to remember is to make sure it's sturdy from top to bottom. Make sure it won't tip. Make sure it's comfortable sitting on the floor. Here, I'm just grabbing around.
Like I said, you can actually walk with me and around if you need to.
Right here, I'm just creating tension to make sure that ladder stays tight. There's not a lot of plane movement. You don't want anything wobbling as you climb up that ladder.
All right, so that's the basic setup, except for tying it up down at the top so the ladder doesn't move at all. As you can see, it's pretty locked tight. You just want to make sure you're not creating a seesaw situation where the ladder can seesaw on itself. Also, don't do what I do. Wear your safety gear. I got my glasses, but no hard hat. Make sure you wear a hard hat. Gonna clamp it down at the top with a little extra security. Like I said, all this can have a fail point, so you always want to back it up triple, quadruple, just in case one part fails, then you got a bunch of backup. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Don't break your limbs. Be safe. All right, now I'm ready to add my trusses. All right. Okay, come down. Make sure I feel it. Okay, feels good.